Pacific Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire, also known as the Rim of Fire or the Circum-Pacific Belt, is a major area in the basin of Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. In a large 40,000 kilometers horseshoe shape, it is associated with nearly continuous series of volcanic trenches, oceanic trenches, volcanic arcs, and volcanic belts and plate movements. It has 452 volcanoes, more than 75% of the world's active and the dormant volcanoes, about 90% of the world's earthquakes, and about 81% of the world's largest earthquakes occur along the Ring of Fire. About 88%, nearly 22 out of 25 of the world's largest volcanic eruptions in the last 11,700 years occurred at the volcanoes in the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a direct result of plate tectonics, the movement and the collisions of the lithospheric plates, especially subduction in the northern portion. Western portion is more complex with a number of smaller tectonic plates in collision with the Pacific plate from the Mariana Islands, the Philippines, Bougainville, Tonga, and New Zealand. You can see here the Ring of Fire. It extends from around the it passes through equator, and also it covers all the Pacific near the islands or near the borders of the each continents. Starts from New Zealand and Philippines, Southeast Asians, China, Japan, and also the North America and South America. It starts from Kermada Trench, Tonga Trench, Bougainville Trench, and Java Sumatra Trench, Philippine Trench, Challenger Deep is there, in Mariana Trench, and Izu Ogasawara Trench, Japan Trench, Kurile Trench, Aleutian Trench, and it also covers Mount Garibaldi, Mount St. Helens, and also Middle America Trench, Puerto Rico Trench, and South Sandwich Trench, and Peru-Chile Trench. So this is the Ring of Fire region. History. The presence of belt of volcanic activity surrounding the Pacific Ocean was first observed in the mid-19th century. The Japanese islands, in the line of that immense circle of the volcanic developments which surround the shores of the Pacific from Tierra del Fuego around to the Moluccas. About 90% of the world's earthquakes and 81% of the world's largest earthquakes occur along the Ring of Fire, the next most seismically active region. 5 to 6% of the earthquakes and 17% of the world's largest earthquakes is Alphite Belt, which extends from Java to North Atlantic Ocean via Himalayas and southern Europe. But three of the world's 25 largest volcanic eruptions of the last 11,700 years occurred at the volcanoes in the Ring of Fire. You can see here the global earthquakes from 1900 to 2013. Majority or 85%, more than 85% occurs in the Ring of Fire region. The famous and very active San Andreas Fault Zone of California is a transform fault which offsets a portion of East Pacific rise under the southwestern United States and Mexico. Motion of the fault generates numerous small earthquakes at a multiple times a day, most of which are too small to be felt. Active Queen Charlotte Fault on the west coast of the Haida Gwaii, British Columbia, has generated 3 large earthquakes during 20th century, a magnitude of 7 event in 1929, a magnitude of 8.1 in 1949, Canada's largest recorded earthquake, and magnitude of 7.4 in 1970. Cause. The Ring of Fire is a direct result of plate tectonics, the movement and collision of lithospheric plates. The eastern section of the ring is result of Nazca Plate and Cocos Plate being subducted beneath the westward moving South American Plate. Cocos Plate is being subducted beneath the Caribbean Plate in Central America. A portion of Pacific Plate and small Juan de Fuca Plate are being subducted beneath the North American Plate along the northern portion. The northwestward moving Pacific Plate is being subducted beneath the Aleutian Island arc. Farther the west, Pacific Plate is being subducted along the Kamchatka Peninsula arcs to the south past Japan. The southern portion is more complex with a number of smaller tectonic plates in collision with the Pacific Plate from the Mariana Islands, the Philippines, Bougainville, Tonga, and New Zealand. This portion excludes Australia since it lies in the center of the tectonic plate. Indonesia lies between the Ring of Fire along the northeastern islands adjacent to and including the New Guinea and Alpine Belt along the south and west of Sumatra, Java, Bali, Flores, and Timor. See, you can see the global maps of subduction zones which subducted slabs countered by depth. See, you can see the in-depth analysis of the contours of the subduction zones that are formed along the ring of fence or ring of fire.